Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I'm gonna show you the latest updated method to install ESign on iPhone and iPad. No PC, no jailbreak, works on iOS 15 all the way up to iOS 26.4. And yes, I'm personally testing this on my own iPhone running iOS 26.4. This is currently one of the most trusted, stable, and working methods available right now, so make sure you watch till the end. Alright, let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari and then open SKIBIDI Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Now hit on Get Started and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app. Now you will see different Scarlet, KSign, ESign links available there. Simply hit on Get in front of the ESign link and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. I'm gonna start to rebel and build an army to help, the strongest you've ever felt. I feel a change in the wind, the role is shifting again, it's time to go all in. I'm bringing all of my friends and now we're playing to win, we ride or die to the end. Look at myself in the mirror, I just wanna see clear. Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting. Then open General, then open VPN and Device Management, then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust. And then hit Allow and restart to let ESign work in your iOS device. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app and then hit on Search option. Now hit on Get in front of the first search link and then simply save the search zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open your Files folder, and then you will see a search zip file there. Simply hit on it, and then you will get a new search folder with 3 files in it. One of them have a password. Now simply copy the password, and then open ESign app again. Now hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import option. And then first select the mobile provision file from the new search folder. Then hit on 3 dots on top again, and then hit on Import option. And then select the P12 file from the new search file folder. Once both files are imported, now first hit on Imported Mobile Provision File, and then hit Import. And then hit on Imported P12 file. And then hit on Import Certificate Management. And then paste the password in it, and then hit OK. And now we are good to use ESign app. Now hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import option. And then select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps option, and then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit on Signature, and then hit Signature again.
Now hit install, and then hit install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. This method works on iOS 15 to iOS 26.4. No PC required, no jailbreak needed. Fast, stable, and reliable. So yeah guys, that's the latest and best working method to install ESign and IPA files on iOS right now. If this helped you, drop a like, comment if it worked for you. Subscribe for more insane iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.